Future Zone, Austria. How ambitious are you, how invested are you in becoming #1 PC vendor again? Because there was a lot of #1s you showed today.
We are #1 in PC revenues.
Okay.
We're not #1 in units, but see, to us, revenues are more important than units. I know you all focus a lot on units. We are growing faster than the others in units, and you know, look, if we wanted to be #1 in units, it's actually pretty easy. If I can say that. We focus on the revenues. So we're selling the S class and the 7 series. Our competitors are selling the little ones. Okay? So that's why we have fewer units and more revenue. By the way, we also have more profit. And part of our ambition is to have a very profitable business so we can reinvest in the innovation that fuels our business.
Can I just have a quick add-on to the workplace transformation? Because
sure.
Mobility has been mentioned quite a few times. What about mobile phones? Because they still miss. Is that a category where you could think of going back to?
Nope.
Why not? Why not?
I don't think the world needs another smartphone company. Simple as that. But let me tell you where we are playing in mobility. As our customers embrace this mobile environment, they're faced with a pretty big challenge. And the challenge is that the most important information that they have is increasingly residing on these mobile devices that are being brought into the workplace. And how do you do that securely? And this is where AirWatch is absolutely the leader in managing those devices. And so, that's a tremendous focus for us. What I would also tell you is that the explosion in the number of devices, which not only includes smartphones, but tablets and PCs and sensors, and if you look at the ingredient technologies in terms of microprocessors and microcontrollers and sensors and integrated microcomputers at the chip level, single chip computers, those are increasingly getting smaller. The PC and then the smartphone and now this Internet of Everything revolution have followed each other and lowered the cost. And so the continual march of progress of the underlying technology is leading to this explosion in the number of sensors and nodes. It's why you have lots and lots of them. And so the smartphone is just another node among the 200 billion nodes that are out there. Another interesting thing is when you get a smartphone, it has nothing on it. It does nothing. All the information you put on your smartphone comes from a data center, and all the information you get comes from a data center. You download an app, a video, whatever, and then you upload something. It goes back to a data center. So for every new smartphone that's minted in the world, thank you very much, another server blip, pops up on the network, whether it's inside a public cloud or an on-premise or managed service, and of course we're deep into that as well.
Thank you very much, Michael. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all very much.